My name is Monica Ross. I'm the spa manager at Agua Caliente Casino Resort Spa, the Sunstone Spa. We have a 10,000 square foot facility here with 11 treatment rooms. We offer hair services, nail services, massage, body treatments, facials, waxing services. We're a full service spa. We're state-of-the-art. We do offer a men's and women's area, plus we have a beautiful private pool area that is co-ed, so you can enjoy the day with your spouse or your significant other. We do have something that's called Agua Caliente for two, and it includes a soak, which is in one of our jetted tubs, and it does fit two people. And then you get a luxurious massage afterward, both of you in a couple's room, and that tends to be our most popular. Personal favorite, you know what? I love hot stone. I just think hot stone and those warm stones get deep into your muscles, and it's just so soothing and relaxing, and that is one of our signature treatments as well. You know what? Our service is unbeatable. We have basically one-on-one service here. We really cater to you and really pamper you while you're here, so your experience does not end when your treatment ends.